Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install any FitGirl Repack game without crashes or missing files. I show you guys how to do it. Before open the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video to avoid setup corrupted error. After watching this video, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. After turning off, just minimize this page. Double click on the setup folder. Double click on setup and select yes and select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. Limit installer to 3 GB of RAM usage and then select next and select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. And check all these and select install option. After the installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option and the game has been added to this list. Go back, turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close stuff here and uncheck this option guys. Open this site, redirect to the site and select the finish option. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to level like guys. Thank you.